Fundamental rights in the Constitution of India stresses on prohibition of forced labor, right against exploitation, right to
43.
constitutional remedies, right to freedom, cultural and educational rights.
Right against exploitation.
Right against exploitation.
Correct. Which article?
23.
Gotte?
23.
Gotte hi?
24.
23,
23,
24.
24.
23, 24. Which article is about prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor?
22.
25.
Hello.
22.
ଏବେ କହୁଛ
23.
23, ଏବେ କହୁଛ 22.
Sorry.
Which article prohibits employment of children below age of 14 in any factory, mines or construction work?
24.
24.
24.
24.
24. Which article deals with right to equality?
14.
14.
Gotte?
14.
14 or 18.
14 to 18.
14 to 18.
14 to 18. Right to freedom of religion?
Hmm.
25 to 28.
25 ରୁ 28 ହଁ 25 ରୁ 28
25 to 28. Right to freedom? 19 to
14 ରୁ 18
19 to 22.
19 to 22. Cultural and educational rights?
25 ରୁ 28
29 and 30. 29 to 30. Right to constitutional remedies?
32.
32.
32. Next. The Other Side of Silence, Voices from the Partition of India, is a book written by whom? The Other Side of Silence, Voices from the Partition of India. Yasmin Khan, Urvashi Butalia, Aisha Jalal, Bapsi Sidhwa. Yasmin Khan, Urvashi Butalia, Bapsi Sidhwa, Aisha Jalal. The Other Side of Silence. It has been written by Urvashi Butalia, an Indian feminist writer. Urvashi Butalia, The Other Side of Silence. Which of the following does not refer to movements in oceans? Oceans रे movement को कोटा दर्शाए नहीं. Tides, waves, reflections, currents.
Reflection.
Correct, reflections. Which of the following Harappan sites is in Haryana? Rakhigadi, Dholabira, Lothal, Kalibangan.
ରାକ୍ଷୀଗଡ଼
Bhola. Bhola.
Rakhigadi, correct, Rakhigadi. Next. Chanudaro, କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ଚାନୁଦାର ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ ଗୁଜୁରାଟ
Pakistan. Sindh province, Pakistan. କୋଉ river?
ଇଣ୍ଡସ୍
Indus river. Lothal,
ଗୁଜୁରାଟ
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Bhogava river. Kalibangan,
ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ
Rajasthan. କୋଉ river? Ghaggar river, Ghaggar. Banawali,
ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ
Haryana. Banawali, Haryana. Ghaggar river. Dholavira,
ଗୁଜୁରାଟ
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Luni river. Harappa,
ରବି
Rabi. Location,
Punjab.
ପାକିସ୍ତାନ
Punjab province, Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro,
ସିନ୍ଧ ପାକିସ୍ତାନ
Sindh province,
Indus River.
Pakistan. Correct. Which constitutional amendment act added right to education to Indian Constitution? 85th, 86th, 87th, 88th.
86
86th, 86th Amendment Act 2002, Article 21A. Which Amendment Act modified emergency provision and deleted right to property from fundamental rights?
44.
44th, correct.
44
Which article had the provision that fundamental rights are guaranteed by Articles 20 and 21 cannot be suspended during national emergency? 44th. Amendment Act 1978. 44th Amendment Act 1978. Which Amendment Act raised the tenure of Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies from 5 to 6 years? 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Which Amendment Act created All India Judicial Service? 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Proclamation of national emergency was made in which Amendment Act? 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Which Amendment Act added socialist, secular, and integrity in preamble and added
42nd.
fundamental duties?
And
Correct, correct.
42nd.
42nd Amendment Act
42nd.
1976. Which Amendment Act extended the time limit of President's rule from 6 months to 1 year?
42nd.
42nd Amendment Act 1976. Which Amendment Act reduced voting age from 21 to 18 years for Lok Sabha?
61.
61st Amendment Act 1988. Which of the following tribes celebrates which of the following states celebrates ବିରହର କଟକରୀ ନାଇଁ 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 ଭୁଲ ପଚାରିଦେଲି କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ସହ ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ କହିବ ଭୀଲ ବିରହର ବାଇଗା କଟକରୀ ଖଣ୍ଡ ଗଣ୍ଡ ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ ମଧ୍ୟପ୍ରଦେଶ
Madhya Pradesh.
ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ
मध्य प्रदेश
ମଧ୍ୟପ୍ରଦେଶ କରେକ୍ଟ କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ସହିତ ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ସହରିଆ ଡମରିଆ ମିନା ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ସହିତ
Rajasthan.
ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ ଆପାତାନି ମୋନପା
Arunachal
अरुणाचल
Pradesh.
प्रदेश
ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ liver secretes what that is stored in a sac called gallbladder mucus bile
Bile.
बाइल
juice estrogen
बाइल
correct bile
Bile.
bile juice correct Indira Gandhi officially recorded the impressive strides in agriculture by releasing a special stamp in July 1968 called which revolution? Brown Revolution, Wet Revolution, Green Revolution, White Revolution.
ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन
से टाइम के
ब्राउन
बहुत प्रोब्लेम ହେଇଥିଲା Wet Revolution. Green Revolution ତ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆସିଯାଇଥିଲା ତ ଇନ୍ଦିରା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ officially recorded the impressive strides in agriculture by releasing a special stamp in 1968 entitled Wet Revolution. Why is Bodh Gaya an important Buddhist pilgrimage center? Gautam Buddha attended Parinirvana here. Gautam Buddha was born here. Gautam Buddha attended enlightenment here. Gautam Buddha preached
Enlightenment.
his first
Enlightenment.
sermon here.
एनलाइनमेंट
Correct.
Enlightenment.
Correct. Gautam Buddha attended enlightenment here. Dash is secreted by pineal gland. Progesterone, epinephrine, insulin, melatonin.
मेलाटोनिन मेलाटोनिन
Melatonin, correct. ଆକୁ ଡ୍ରାକୁଲା ଅଫ୍ ହରମୋନ୍ସ ବି କହନ୍ତି ଡାର୍କନେସରେ ସିକ୍ରେଟ୍ ହୁଏ ବୋଲି ଡ୍ରାକୁଲା ଅଫ୍ ହରମୋନ୍ସ ମେଲାଟୋନିନ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ in which of the following is the longest river in Thar desert? Jhelum, Chambal, Son, Luni.
Loni.
Correct.
लूनी
Luni.
Luni, correct. Which river originates at Verinag and flows
Jhelum.
Jammu Kashmir? Correct. Jhelum river. Next. Which perennial river originates at the south of Mho town it, on the south slope of Vindhya range in Madhya Pradesh?
Tapi.
गोदावरी
मध्य प्रदेश कहली पा
Tapti.
Tapi.
चंबल
Narmada.
चंबल river. Next, which is a perennial river which originates near Amarkantak Hill in Anuppur district of Madhya Pradesh and finally merges with Ganga river near Patna in Bihar?
Son.
So,
Correct, correct. Son river. Next, the materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as what? Transparent, opaque, translucent, conducting materials.
Transparent.
Translucent.
Translucent.
Translucent, correct. Translucent, not clearly. Next, the process by which two immiscible liquids get mixed while one disperses as small droplets within the other is known as which process? ଦୁଇଟା immiscible liquid mix ହୁଅନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଭିତରେ small droplets ହେଇକି disperse ହେଇଯାଏ. Separation, emulsification, caramelization, filtration.
Emulsification.
Emulsification.
Correct. Next, which of the following are commonly known as blood thinners? Blood thinners କାହାକୁ କହନ୍ତି? Antibiotics, anticoagulants, antibodies, anti-cloaking agent.
Anticoagulant.
Anticoagulants.
Correct. They are used to treat and prevent blood clots. By which process water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil horizon and get precipitated as unavailable salts. By which process water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil horizon and get precipitated as unavailable salts. Fragmentation, humification, leaching, decomposition.
Second option.
ନାଇଁ ହ୍ୟୁମିଫିକେସନ୍ ନୁହେଁ ଲିଚିଂ ହ୍ୟୁମିଫିକେସନ୍ ହ୍ୟୁମସ୍ ସହିତ ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଅର୍ଗାନିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ଡିକମ୍ପୋଜ୍ ହୁଅନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ହ୍ୟୁମସ୍ ହ୍ୟୁମିଫିକେସନ୍ ତ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଲିଚିଂ this occurs due to excessive rainfall or irrigation. Who among the following was one of the Congress leaders who drafted a constitution for India in 1928? Jaipal Singh, Somnath Lahiri, Motilal Nehru, Syama Prasad Mukherjee.
Motilal Nehru.
Motilal Nehru.
Correct. Motilal Nehru was one of the Congress leaders who drafted a constitution for India in 1928. For how many days Onam festival is celebrated in Kerala? 7,
9
10,
days.
12, 15.
10. 10.
7.
10 days. Correct. 10 days. This is celebrated to commemorate the arrival of King Mahabali. Four states are related Sigmo festival.
Goa.
Goa.
Correct. Thaipusam,
Kerala.
Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Thrissurpuram,
Kerala.
Kerala. Kerala.
Kerala. Kerala. Karaga festival,
Tamil Nadu.
Karnataka. Karnataka. Hampi festival,
Karnataka.
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 Hoysal Mahotsav,
MP.
Karnataka. Mahamaham festival, Tamil Nadu.
Karnataka.
Tamil Nadu. Thiruvayur festival,
Kerala.
Kerala.
Tamil Nadu. Onam festival,
Kerala.
Kerala. Ruler of which dynasty built the famous Iron Pillar in Delhi? Gupta dynasty, Pallava, Maurya, Pushyabhuti. Iron Pillar ଦିଲ୍ଲୀର ମେହରୌଲିରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି
Maurya.
ଗୁପ୍ତ ଡାଇନେଷ୍ଟି
Gupta dynasty.
ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ଟୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ Dash served as the summer capital of British India between 1864 and 1939. Kalimpong, Simla, Mount Abu, Gangtok.
Simla.
Simla.
Correct. It was designated as summer capital of British India by Sir John Lawrence. All human beings have dash pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of their cells.
23. 23.
23.
23.
Correct. Next, what is the chemical name of marble?
Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate.
Correct. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Calcium oxide को popularly कौन कहती? CaO को.
Soda lime.
Quicklime.
Quicklime.
Quicklime. Correct. Now CaOH whole to calcium hydroxide को
Slackline.
slackline. correct. Next, which river flows through? Among which of the following rivers flows through Tibet, India, and Bangladesh? Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Ganga.
Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra.
Correct.
Brahmaputra.
It originates in Chemayongdong Glacier of Kailash Range near Mansarovar Lake. In Tibet, it is known as Sangpo. While entering India, it is called Dihang River. Then it is called Brahmaputra in Assam, and in Bangladesh, its name is Jamuna. Kameng, Manas, Subansiri, Dibang, Lohit, Kahara tributary.
Brahmaputra.
कोटा लार्जेस्ट रिवर इन आइलैंड जोटा ब्रह्मपुत्र द्वारा क्रिएट ହେଇଛି वर्ल्ड रो
Majuli. Majuli.
अरे କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଛୁଆଟା ବି କହିଲା କି ଏବେ ସେମିତି ସୁବିଲା ମତେ ଆଉ କୋଉ ରିଭର ଅରିଜିନ ହେଇଛି ୟମୁନୋତ୍ରୀ ଗ୍ଲାସିୟର ଅନ୍ ଦ ସ୍ଲୋପ୍ସ ଅଫ ବନ୍ଦରପୁଞ୍ଚ ରେଞ୍ଜ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡରୁ
Yamuna.
Yamuna.
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦ ହିଲ୍ ପ୍ୟାଲେସ ମ୍ୟୁଜିୟମ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଜାମ୍ମୁ କାଶ୍ମୀର କେରଳ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକ ହିମାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ ହିଲ୍ ପ୍ୟାଲେସ
Himachal Pradesh. Himachal.
ଏଟା ଅଛି କେରଳାରେ ହିଲ୍ ପ୍ୟାଲେସ ମ୍ୟୁଜିୟମ ଇଜ ଲୋକେଟେଡ ଇନ କେରଳ ନେକ୍ସଟ Santaram is a novel written by whom? Santaram. Amitabh Ghosh, Salman Rushdie, G. David Roberts, Chetan Bhagat.
Ravinder Bhatt.
Correct.
Amitabh Ghosh.
G. David Roberts, Australian author. G. David Roberts wrote the Santaram novel in 2003. In which year was first Commonwealth Games held? 1912, 1930, 1956, 1960.
1930.
1930.
अरे किए छुआ गोटे कौची किए से छुआ
आंसर दे दीजिए छुआ
अरे छुआ ना नेटवर्क प्रोब्लेम हो जीए भी तो भलो कथा फर्स्ट कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स वेर हेल्ड इन 1930 इन हैमिल्टन कनाडा रे हितला आ इंडिया फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट करतला सेकंड कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स रे जोटा हितला लंदन रे 1934 तो सब जानिया जरूरी आई स्मार्ट इंडिया केबे पार्टिसिपेट करतला फर्स्ट टाइम कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स रे
सर जानिनी सर
एबे कहली पा जानिनी कोन कोन
सर मु खाउଥିଲି ତ
19.
ଖାଉଥିଲ ତମ କାନ ଖାଉଥିଲା ନା
ନାଇଁ ସର ନାଇଁ
ଶୁଣିବ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରିଲି ଶୁଣୁଛ ନା କଣ କରୁଛ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରିଥିଲା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କମନୱେଲ୍ଥ ଗେମ୍ସ ରେ ଲଣ୍ଡନ ରେ 1934 ରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ 2022 କମନୱେଲ୍ଥ ଗେମ୍ସ କୋଉଠି ଥିଲା
Beijing, China.
ବର୍ମିଂହାମ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ କରେକ୍ଟ ବର୍ମିଂହାମ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଥିଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ କୋଉ କେତେ ମସିହାରେ ଆରବିଆଇ ଆଡପ୍ଟ କଲା ରୁପି ସିମ୍ବଲ 2008 10 11 12
2010.
करेक्ट 10 नेक्स्ट इंडिगो रिभोल्ट जोटा गोटे पिजेंट रिभोल्ट कोठी हितला केते मसिया रहितला सॉरी 1857 59 61 89
1859.
1859 करेक्ट बेंगल रे स्टार्ट हितला इंडिगो रिवोल्यूशन नील विद्रोह भी कहती तो 1859 रे हितला सांथाल रेबेलियन के भी हितला
1858 to 59.
1855 ରୁ 56 1855 ରୁ 56 से भी हितला बेंगल रे डेकान रियोट्स के भी हितला
1861.
1875 1875 नेक्स्ट हला मोपला रेबेलियन के भी हितला
1921.
करेक्ट मालाबार केरला रे बरदोली सत्याग्रह के भी हितला
1928.
1928 गुजरात नेक्स्ट हला तेभागा मूवमेंट के भी हितला 1946 बेंगल फर्स्ट इंडियन कमर्शियल बैंक जोटा कि होली ओन्ड एंड मैनेज बाय इंडियंस कोटा थिला आउ केबे एस्टाब्लिश थिला 1911 1919 1950 1948
1948.
48.
1911 Central Bank of India first Indian commercial bank which was wholly owned and managed by Indians was Central Bank of India established in 1911. Next, which of the following rulers propounded the religion called Din-e-Ilahi? Shahjahan, Jahangir, Akbar,
Akbar.
Akbar.
Akbar. What was the time period of Akbar?
1556 to 1605.
Correct, correct. 1556 to 1605. Who built a hall called Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri?
Akbar.
Akbar. Who was the father of Akbar?
Humayun.
Humayun.
Humayun. Humayun, correct. Next. Whose full name was Sahabuddin Muhammad Khurram?
Shahjahan.
Correct.
Shah-
Shahjahan.
Sahajan.
Correct. Who built Shahjahabad in Delhi? Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Paul Mosque, and Peacock Throne.
Shahjahan.
Sahajan.
Correct. Shahjahan. Correct. In 1608 AD, Captain William Hawkins, a representative of East India Company, came to whose court?
Jahangir.
Jahangir's court.
Sir Thomas Roe was an ambassador of which king of England?
James Robb. Fast James Robb.
Correct, correct.
Fast James.
James 1, correct. କିଏ ତାଙ୍କର ମେମୋରି ତୁଜୁ କି ଜାହାଙ୍ଗୀର ପର୍ସିଆନରେ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ?
Babur. Sorry, Jahangir.
Jahangir. Who built Agra Fort?
Akbar.
Akbar.
Correct. Who built Fatehpur Sikri city?
Akbar.
Akbar. Who was the son of Akbar?
Jahangir.
Jahangir.
Jahangir, correct.
Akbar. Jahangir.
Jahangir. Son of Akbar କହିଥିଲି Jahangir. Who was the fifth Mughal emperor?
Shahjahan.
Correct. Shahjahan.
Shahjahan.
Correct. Where is Rangana Thittu Bird Sanctuary located? Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra.
Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Correct. It is the largest bird sanctuary in Karnataka. କଣ କହୁଛ? କିଏ କଣ କହୁଛ କି କିଛି? ପୁଲିକଟ୍ ଲେକ୍ ବର୍ଡ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟରେ ଅଛି?
Andhra Pradesh ଆଉ ତାମିଲନାଡୁ border.
କରେକ୍ଟ। ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଥିଲି ପୁଲିକଟ୍ ଲେକ୍ ବର୍ଡ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ, ଖାଲି ବର୍ଡ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ ହେଲେ ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ ହବ। ପଖାଲ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଲାଇଫ୍ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? ପଖାଲ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଲାଇଫ୍ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ
ଝାଡଖଣ୍ଡ।
ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନାରେ ଅଛି ପଖାଲ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଲାଇଫ୍ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ। ଏତୁର ନଗରମ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? ଏତୁର ନଗରମ
ତାମିଲନାଡୁ।
ତାମିଲନାଡୁ।
ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ନେକ୍ସଟ କିନ୍ନେରସାଣୀ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଲାଇଫ୍ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା।
କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକ।
ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ମହାବୀର ହରିଣା ବନସ୍ଥଳୀ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ପାର୍କ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ଗୋଆ।
ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ଭାବୁଥିବ କୁଆଡୁ ଆଜି ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା ବାହାରୁଛି ଏତେ ନାଇଁ? ମୃଗାବଣୀ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ପାର୍କ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
Telangana.
ବିହାର।
ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ନେଲାପଟ୍ଟୁ ବାର୍ଡ ସାଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଆରୀ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା। ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ।
ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ। ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ। Next, the money value of all final goods and services produced within the country during a particular year is called what?
ଜିଡିପି।
GDP.
ଜିଡିପି।
କଣ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ମଝିରେ ଶୁଭୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଜାଣି ହଉନି କିଏ କଣ କହୁଛି। ଗ୍ରସ୍ ଡୋମେଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ। କରେକ୍ଟ, ଜିଡିପି। ନେକ୍ସଟ, which of the following is a tributary of Godavari river? Tungabhadra, Penganga, Musi, Koyna.
ପେନଗଙ୍ଗା।
Penganga, correct. ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା ଅପସନ ଅଛି କାହାର ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁଟାରୀ?
Krishna.
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 Miss
Correct. Krishna, Musi, Koyana and Tungabhadra. Next. ଜୟକବାଦୀ ଡ୍ୟାମ୍ କୋଉ ନଦୀ ଉପରେ ଅଛି?
Godavari.
Correct. Godavari. Maharashtra. Next. Which is the largest tributary of Godavari? Purna, Pranhita, Indravati, Manjira.
Purna.
Indravati.
Pranhita, correct. Pranhita is the largest
Pran-
tributary of Godavari. Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ରେ ଅଛି?
Chhattisgarh.
ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ। ଗୋଦାବରୀ ଡେଲ୍ଟାରେ ଅଛି। Which is the biggest east flowing river in India?
Godavari.
Narmada.
Godavari.
Godavari,
Narmada.
correct. Godavari.
Godavari.
Which river rises from Triambakeshwar near Nasik, Maharashtra?
Godavari.
Kaveri.
Godavari.
Godavari.
Next. Wardha is a tributary of which river?
Godavari.
Godavari.
Godavari. Sabari, Maner, Purna are
Godavari.
tributaries of Godavari, correct.
Godavari.
Godavari.
Next. Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state?
Bihar.
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 Bihar. Gir National Park is located in
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Bandhavgarh National Park,
Karnataka.
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Sundarbans National Park,
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Bengal. Periyar National Park,
Kerala.
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 Ranthambore National Park,
Rajasthan.
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 ଆଉ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲେ ମନେ ରହିବ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଖାଲି। ଜିମ୍ କର୍ବେଟ୍ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ପାର୍କ,
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ। Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following states of India? ଝାରଖଣ୍ଡ, ମିଜୋରାମ, ଓଡ଼ିଶା, ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ।
Odisha.
ଓଡ଼ିଶା।
Odisha.
It passes through how many states?
8 states.
8 states.
8.
Correct. Devprayag is the place where Bhagirathi joins which river?
Alkananda. Alkananda.
Alaknanda.
Alaknanda.
Correct. Which river is also known as Narayani in Nepal? Ghagra, Meghna, Gandak, Kosi.
Gandak.
Gandak, correct.
Ghagra.
Gandak river. Which is a tributary of Ganga river, originates in Tibetan plateau near Lake Manasarovar. Options are Meghna, Ghagra, Alaknanda, Bhagirathi.
Alkananda.
Ghagra river. Ghagra. Next. Cytology is the study of what? Chloroplast, tissue, cells, genes.
So,
Cells.
Cells, correct.
Cell.
Next. Who among the following is not a professional badminton player? PV Sindhu, Srikanth Kidambi, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal.
Srikanth Kadambi.
Sania Mirza.
Sania Mirza tennis.
Correct. Sania Mirza Mohanty. Next. What will be the correct passive of the sentence? The quality of apples are not good. The apples were not good. The quality of apples is not good. The quality of apples have been good. The quality of apples were not good.
First.
Quality of apples is
Is
not.
पाँच थिला ना
ସରି ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଦେଲି ଭୁଲ ପଚାରିଦେଲି ଛାଡ଼ ଲିଭ୍। କିଏ କହିପାରିବ ଏଟାର ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ କ'ଣ ହବ? ରିୟା ଆସ୍କଡ୍ ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଫିଲିଂ ଫାଇନ୍?
Ria asked.
we are told
that
the
ଇଣ୍ଟରୋଗେଟିଭ୍ ଅଛି।
if their question.
yeah,
Riva asks me if I
ହଁ କରେକ୍ଟ କୁହ।
If I was feeling right.
କରେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା। ରିୟା ଆସ୍କଡ୍ ମି ଇଫ୍ ଆଇ ୱାଜ୍ ଫିଲିଂ ଫାଇନ୍ ହେଲା। କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଥିଲେ ଟୋଲ୍ଡ ହୁଏନି। क्वेश्चन थिले आस्क्ड हुए तो रिया आस्क्ड मी इफ आई वाज फीलिंग फाइन व्हाट इज द एंटोनिम ऑफ द वर्ड सैबी SHABBY सैबी dilapidated miserable impoverished respectable
Respectable.
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 करेक्ट एलिमिनेशन रे भी हेजिवो तीनटा जाक तार सिनोनिम अछि सैबी रो पुअर कंडीशन रे जोटा थाए तो एंटोनिम हला रेस्पेक्टेबल नेक्स्ट somebody is following us what will be the passive voice of the sentence
We are
somebody is
followed
following
by
us
someone.
कौन
We are followed by someone.
We are followed by someone.
भूले गला
By somebody.
भूले
We are being followed.
करेक्ट we are being followed by somebody next वर्तमान एक्टिव करिवो द कार इज बीइंग रिपेयर्ड बाय हिम
He repaired
The
the
car
car.
is repaired
He is
on.
repairing the car.
बहुत बढ़िया ही इज रिपेयरिंग द कार ही इज रिपेयरिंग द कार नेक्स्ट मेधा सेड टू चरित आर यू फीलिंग कोल्ड
Medha
Medha
asked them.
asked Charit if he was feeling
कोल्ड
Feeling cold.
करेक्ट
cold.
बढ़िया वेदर हबो हला
Whether he was feeling cold.
करेक्ट मेधा आस्क्ड चरित वेदर ही वाज फीलिंग कोल्ड नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ द word blast 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 recall plead blow up share
Blow up.
Blow up.
blow up dis dis explosion जोटा हुए सेटा ब्लास्ट कहंती तो ब्लो अप भी तार अर्थ नेक्स्ट what is the meaning of the idiom on cloud nine to be in a comfortable situation extremely
Very
happy about
happy.
something extremely
Extreme
confused in a certain
happy.
situation कोटा
Very second.
extremely
Extremely
happy
happy.
correct extremely happy about something next what is the meaning of the idiom a flying visit? A surprise visit, a very long visit, a very short visit.
A
When
surprise visit.
A very short visit.
a short visit, very short visit, a short visit. Next, what is the antonym of the word benevolence? Hardness, pardon, cruelty, kindness.
Cruelty.
Cruelty.
Correct. Cruelty. Antonym କହିଥିଲା ତ cruelty, benevolence ମାନେ ଉଦାରତା, ଦୟା ଯୋଉଟା, kindness. Next. Eradicate ର antonym କ'ଣ? Culminate, abolish, conserve, deteriorate.
Conjure.
Correct.
Conjure.
ଆଉ ସବୁ ତାର ସିନୋନିମ୍ ଥିଲା ଅପସନରେ କଲମିନେଟ୍ ହଉ କି ଆବୋଲିସ୍ ହଉ କି ଡେଟେରିଓରେଟ୍ ହଉ କଞ୍ଜର୍ଭ ଯୋଉଟା ସଂରକ୍ଷିତ କରିବା ତ ସେଟା ହେଲା ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିମ୍ What is the meaning of the idiom to hit the nail on the head? To hit something accurately, to express an idea with
Hit
great
something
precision,
accurately.
to be
To
indecisive,
hit
to miss an opportunity. Correct. No. To express an idea with great precision. ସଠିକ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିବା ଯୋଉଟା ହିଟ୍ କରିବା ନୁହଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ସିନୋନିମ୍ ଅଫ ଦ ୱାର୍ଡ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଇଟ୍ CONTRITE persistent advertent renitent remorseful
Remorseful.
କରେକ୍ଟ ପସ୍ତାବା ହୁଏ ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ତ ସେଟାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ତ ରିମୋର୍ସଫୁଲ ଇଜ ଦ ସିନୋନିମ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ମିନିଂ ଅଫ ଦ ଇଡିୟମ apple of discord a helping hand a fruitful effort a subject of dispute struggle for food
Subject of
Subject of
dispute.
dispute.
करेक्ट ए सब्जेक्ट करेक्ट विवादर विषय नेक्स्ट टेक एक्सेप्शन टू माने कौन ऑब्जेक्ट टू सपोर्ट प्रेज आर्ग्यू
Argue.
ऑब्जेक्ट करिवा टेक एक्सेप्शन टू माने हला डिसएप्रूव एक्सप्रेस डिसअप्रूवाल एक्सप्रेस करिबा जोटा हला ऑब्जेक्ट करिबा. व्हाट इज द एंटोनिम ऑफ द वर्ड exemplary? Exemplary, commendable, model, flawed, ideal.
Commendable.
Law.
Exemplary ମାନେ ହେଲା ଉତ୍କୃଷ୍ଟ, ତ एंटोनिम ହେଲା त्रुटि जोटा थियो फ्लॉ. नेक्स्ट. He did not ring the bell. पैसिव कौन हबो? He did not ring the bell.
The
The bell
bell
was
was not
not
wrong.
rang wrong.
हाँ, wrong परे by him. The
By
bell
him.
was not rung by him.
By him.
Next. What is the antonym of calm down? Understand, agitate, question, dissipate.
Agitate.
Agitate.
Understand.
Agitate, agitate, correct. Antonym पूरा calm down. Next. Sea change माने कौन? Sea change. SEAC change.
Extreme change.
To pursue, major transformation,
Change.
jealousy, hatred.
Major
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 transformation.
transformation.
Major transformation.
बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन
Major
जोटा
transformation.
मेजर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. नेक्स्ट. वर्तमान कहब इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. राम सेड टू मी, एतिकी सार दियो काम आग हला. राम सेड टू मी.
Ram told me.
अरे रुह सॉरी,
Ram told me.
भाभी था कहली. रे राम सेड टू मी, डिड यू ब्रेक द भेस?
Ram asked me.
हाँ तापरे
Had you?
If I did.
डिड यू ब्रेक द भेस?
Whether I broke the vase.
If I had broke the vase.
If I had broken the vase.
बहुत बढ़िया.
I had
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
broken the
तू बहुत
vase.
बढ़िया. राम आस्क्ड मी इफ आई हैड ब्रोकन द भेस. हला पास्ट सिंपल थिला, पास्ट परफेक्ट हो गला. नेक्स्ट. टोडलर सिनोनिम कौन? टोडलर, TODDLER जानी थी. एंसेस्टर, इन्फेंट, एडल्ट, ऑफस्प्रिंग.
Infant.
इन्फेंट करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. गोल्डन सिनोनिम कौन? डल, ग्लूमी, शाइनिंग, डार्क.
Shiny.
Shiny.
शाइनिंग करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. टिके पैटर्न चेंज करिवा. Our exams will begin dash 2 weeks on, in, from, since.
In.
Since two
In.
weeks.
In.
ଭାବିକି କୁହ ଟିକେ our exams will begin
In.
Since two.
since ସହିତ କ'ଣ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ହୁଏ?
Begins. Sorry. Sir, in.
In.
In 2 weeks. Our exams will begin in 2 weeks. The principal will meet you dash noon. Since,
At.
on, at,
At.
in.
At.
Correct.
At.
Correct.
At. Noon.
At.
Don't forget, Jasmine's birthday is dash the third. On, at, from, in.
On
On.
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 On the third, correct. Prakash stayed with us dash 3 days. On, to, for,
For.
in.
For.
For 3 days.
For.
For.
Correct. It is terrible that some people are dying dash hunger while others eat too much. From, in, on, at.
From.
Dying from.
Correct, correct.
Dying from.
Dying from anger, hunger ହୁଏ ଆଉ ନହେଲେ ରୋଗ ହେଇଥିଲେ die of ହୁଏ.
Up. Up.
The area is dash closed circuit television surveillance.
Under.
Under,
Under.
correct. Correct, under. Susmita is allergic dash almonds with two
Two.
of
Two.
that. Correct,
Two.
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 correct,
Two almonds.
correct. Susmita is allergic to almonds. He is an honest man and his conduct is dash suspicion. Below, above,
And.
over, against.
Above
Against.
suspicion.
Correct, correct. He is
Ab-
an honest man and his conduct is above suspicion. Radhika is going dash some food as she is very hungry. From, for, at, with.
Going for.
For. ଭୋକ ଲାଗିଲାଣି ତାକୁ ତ ରାଧିକା is going for some food. She believes we were put dash this earth for a purpose. She believes we were put dash this earth for a purpose.
Up.
Upon,
She
below,
believes.
over, beneath.
upon
Over. From.
Upon, upon.
On.
ଆମେ ଏ ଦୁନିଆକୁ ଆସିଛୁ କିଛି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ସହିତ put upon. Next, the jury who has delivered its conclusion to the judge. The jury କୋଉ part of speech? Option ହେଲା proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, countable noun.
collective noun.
Collective noun.
noun.
Collective noun.
Correct, correct. It speaks well of this director's gifts that some of the most frightening sequences in Jaws are those where we don't even see the shark. The even କ'ଣ କୋଉ part of speech? Where we don't even see the shark. Adverb, adjective, noun, possession.
Position.
Adverb.
Adverb.
Possession କ'ଣ ଥାଏ? କିଛି ନଥାଏ ମୁଁ ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଗୋଟେ କହିଦେଲି। possession କ'ଣ ଥାଏ କିଛି? ନେକ୍ସଟ ତ କୋଉଟା ହବ?
Adverb.
Adverb ହବ। verb କୁ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏ କରୁଛି don't even see the shark। ତ even ଟା ହେଲା adverb। next she believes ତ କହିଥିଲ ଛାଡ଼। Under Rajesh direction, Total Recall is a fast-paced rush of violence, gore, and humor that never slacks. The under କ'ଣ? Conjunction, preposition, adverb, adjective.
Preposition.
Adjective.
Preposition, correct. Adjective କେମିତି କହୁଛ କିଏ? ହେଲା ତ under ହେଲା preposition. A Palestinian youth was seen looking for salvageable items amid the rubble of the Kuhel building. କ'ଣ ସବୁ ୱାର୍ଡ ଦେଇଛି ଭଗବାନ ଜାଣେ। ତ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆମ ମତଲବ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ଆମକୁ ଖାଲି ଜାଣିବାର ଅଛି ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ କ'ଣ। ତ ପାଲେଷ୍ଟିନିଆନ କ'ଣ? ଏ ପାଲେଷ୍ଟିନିଆନ ୟୁଥ୍ ଏତିକି ଶୁଣ ଖାଲି ସରିଲା। ଅପସନ୍ ହେଲା ପୋଜେସିଭ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ।
Adjective.
ଅପସନରେ ସବୁ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ପୋଜେସିଭ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ କ୍ୱାଲିଟେଟିଭ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ପ୍ରପର ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଡେମୋନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟିଭ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ।
Objective.
Proper adjective.
Proper adjective.
Correct, proper adjective. Next, I will play while you visit your friend. While କ'ଣ? adverb,
Adverb.
conjunction,
adverb,
conjunction.
Conjunction.
ଦୁଇଟା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କୁ ଯୋଡୁଛି while I will play ଆଉ you visited the land.
Conjunction.
Conjunction.
conjunction,
Next, I don't think he is really experienced enough for this sort of job. Enough କଣ? Adverb,
Adverb.
adjective, preposition.
adverb,
Correct.
Adjective.
Correct. Adverb. ଏଟା ସବୁ ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କହୁଛ, ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଯୋଉଟା ଲାଗି ଯାଉଛି ଆଉ। Adverb. Enough ଟା ୟୁଜ ହେଇଛି ଏଠି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଗୋଟେ adjective adverb କିମ୍ବା verb ପରେ ୟୁଜ ହବ ଆଉ ତାକୁ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏ କରିବ ହେଲେ ସେଟା ହେଇଯିବ enough ମାନେ କଣ adverb.
Adverb.
Next, Indira Gandhi International Airport of Delhi is the busiest airport in India. Busiest कौन? को डिग्री? ऑप्शन
Noun.
पॉजिटिव
Superlative.
Last superlative.
superlative degree,
Superlative degree.
Adjective.
सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. हाँ एडजेक्टिव ठीक अच्छी से भी हबो. नेक्स्ट, मिरियम जनक ना है बोरोड द मेथोडोलॉजी बुक सेतिकी शुण आउ दरकार नहीं तो मु बोरोड कौन
Verb.
ऑप्शन
Verb.
फाइनाइट वर्ब, ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, इन्फिनिटिव.
Transitive verb.
करेक्ट ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हबो काहे ना कोन आणुची बही आणुची
Object. Object.
हैला तो ऑब्जेक्ट अछि बोरोड हे गेला ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. रॉबिन हुड swindled the sheriff of Nottingham yesterday. तो yesterday को पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. रॉबिन हुड swindled.
adverb,
ऑप्शंस आर
Adverb. Time of adverb.
adverb of frequency, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place.
Adverb of time. Adverb of
adverb of time,
Correct. Adverb of time. वर्तमान कहबो adverb of what? When she saw me waiting, she ran towards me. Towards कौन माने को adverb?
manner,
Verb of place.
Correct. Place.
Place.
मो आडो को आसी
Place.
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 Next, पुणी कहबो को adverb. The excited baby pounded the table hungrily. Hungrily.
Manner.
Correct.
manner,
Adverb of manner. Next, I usually get up late on Saturdays. Usually.
Frequency.
frequency, adverb of frequency,
बढ़िया ଭଲ ଜାଣିଛ ସବୁ ଆଉ. Next, I am going to tidy my room tomorrow.
Adverb of time.
adverb of time,
Adverb of time. Next, को part of speech कहबो Maria and Juan gave each other gold rings on their wedding day. Each other. ऑप्शन है ऑब्जेक्टिव पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, सब्जेक्टिव पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउन, इंडेफिनाइट प्रोनाउन.
reciprocal,
करेक्ट रेसिप्रोकल. वन अनदर, ईच अदर एसबू है रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउन. नेक्स्ट,
ଆସିଲା
हाँ ट्रेन आसची आ शुभुची कि
ମୋର ବି ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ ପଛରେ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଆସିଲା ସେ ଏକା ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ
कौन
ମୋର ବି ଏଠି ଏଇ ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଆସିଲା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଏକାଥର ବାଜିଲା.
ओहो. व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ द वर्ड इंड्यूसमेंट? रिपल्सन, प्रिवेंशन, परजुएशन, हिंड्रांस.
hindrance,
देखो तीनटा ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट हो सेम अर्थ तो हबनी. रिपल्सन माने जहाँ प्रिवेंशन से या हिंड्रांस भी से तो परजुएशन इंड्यूसमेंट रो सिनोनिम हला परजुएशन. मु जहाँ जहाँ पचारि मैक्सिमम सब सेमती ही थिवो. आमिड रो सिनोनिम कोन? सेपरेट, आउटसाइड, मिडिल, इंटरपोलेट.
ମିଡିଲ
मिडिल करेक्ट.
Middle.
middle,
अगरी रो सिनोनिम कोन? AUGURY. स्टुपिडिटी, इग्नोरेंस, इम्पेटुओसिटी, फोरकास्ट.
फोरकास्ट
Forecast.
करेक्ट. अगरी माने भविष्यवाणी. नेक्स्ट, लुडिक्रस रो सिनोनिम कोन? लुडिक्रस, इंट्यूसिव, क्रेजी, एस्ट्यूट, इंट्रिंसिक.
Crazy.
Crazy.
करेक्ट. सिली,
crazy,
रिडिकुलस, लुडिक्रस रो माने Next, countervailing ର synonym countervailing argumentative, complaining, compensating, crying.
compensating,
Compensating.
Compensating.
Correct. Compensating, correct. countervailing ମାନେ compensate କରିବା. Munificent ର synonym କ'ଣ? Munificent, respectable, learned, generous, well to do.
Learned.
generous
Mm.
generous generous munificent ମାନେ generous. rectitude ର synonym କ'ଣ? duplication, integrity, rectification, recovery.
Recovered.
Duplicate.
integrity
Rectification.
integrity
integrity,
rectitude ମାନେ integrity, a kind of behavior that is honest. Next, adulation synonym କ'ଣ? adulation antonym, sorry, adulation ର antonym କ'ଣ? applause, childishness, criticism, shameful.
applause,
Ch-
Applause.
Child.
childishness.
criticism adulation ମାନେ ହେଲା excessive praise, admiration. ତା antonym ହବ criticism. postpone ର antonym suspend, defer, respite, hasten.
hasten,
Hasten.
hasten ଜଲ୍ଦି କରିବା ଯୋଉଟା, postpone ତ ଉଲ୍ଟା ହେଇଗଲା. next, affably ର antonym କ'ଣ? affably AFFABLY politely, hastily, inaudibly, rudely.
Rudely.
Polite. Rudely.
rudely correct, rudely. affably ମାନେ cordially, ତା antonym ହେଲା rudely. benevolent ର antonym benign, generous, aloof, malevolent.
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 malevolent correct, malevolent. callous ର antonym କ'ଣ? callous CALLOUS heartless, diligent, compassionate, insolent.
Compassionate.
correct correct
Sorry, insult.
compassionate. callous ମାନେ uncaring,
Callous means
ହେଲା ଲାପରବାହ ଯୋଉଟାକୁ କଲସ, ସମ୍ବେଦନଶୀଳ ଯିଏ ନଥିବ ତାକୁ ବି କୁହାଯାଇ ପାରିବ। ତ କମ୍ପାସନେଟ
Spelling.
କ'ଣ?
Color spelling ଟା sir ଠିକ କହିଲେ?
CALLOUS କଲସ,
Oh,
ଅନକେୟାରିଂ, ଅନଫିଲିଂ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟିଭିଟିର ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିମ୍ କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟିଭିଟି ପ୍ରିଜନ, ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ, ଏନଭି, ଲିବର୍ଟି।
liberty,
liberty.
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 ଲିବର୍ଟି। କୋର୍ସର ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିମ୍ କୋର୍ସ COARSE ସ୍ଲପି, ଗ୍ରେନି, ରିଫାଇଣ୍ଡ, ସ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡି।
Refined.
ରିଫାଇଣ୍ଡ କରେକ୍ଟ। ରଫ୍ କୋର୍ସ ମାନେ ହେଲା ରଫ୍ ଯୋଉଟା, ତ ରିଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ହେଲା ସ୍ମୁଥ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, ଟ୍ରାଜିକ୍ର ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିମ୍ ମେଲାନକୋଲିକ, କମିକ, ଅପ୍ଟିମିଷ୍ଟିକ, ଡ୍ରାମାଟିକ।
Comic. Comic.
କରେକ୍ଟ କରେକ୍ଟ କମିକ।
Comic.
फ्लोरिस्टର ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିମ୍ ଫ୍ଲୋରିଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାଗନେଟେଡ, ଡିକେଡ, ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସଡ, ବ୍ଲସମଡ। ଡିକେଡ
Blossom.
ଆଉ ସବୁ ତାର ସିନୋନିମ୍ ଥିଲା। ନେକ୍ସଟ, ଫ୍ଲକ୍ଚୁଏଟିଂର ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିମ୍ ଭାଇବ୍ରେଟିଂ, ଅସିଲେଟିଂ, ଷ୍ଟାବିଲାଇଜିଂ, ସୁଇଙ୍ଗିଂ।
Stabilizing.
ଷ୍ଟାବିଲାଇଜିଂ କରେକ୍ଟ। ଅଲ୍ ଆଗଗ୍ର ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ? ଇଡିୟମ ଅଲ୍ ଆଗଗ ଅଲମାଇଟି, ଅନମୁଭଡ, ପ୍ରେଜ୍ ସମୱାନ, ଫୁଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ।
Full of interest.
କରେକ୍ଟ କରେକ୍ଟ ଫୁଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏକ୍ସାଇଟମେଣ୍ଟକୁ କହନ୍ତି ଅଲ୍ ଆଗଗ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, ଲୁଜ୍ ୱାନ୍ସ ମାର୍ବଲ୍ସ ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଲୁଜ୍ ୱାନ୍ସ ମାର୍ବଲ୍ସ ଲୁଜ୍
Angry ହେଇଯାଏ।
favor to you, become insane, become drunk, suffer a setback.
Become instant.
become insane correct.
Become insane.
be like a bear with a sore head. be like a bear ভালু with a sore head. have headache, powerful and arrogant, restless, be in a foul mood.
powerful and arrogant,
be in a foul
How
mood,
to
most appropriate କହିଲେ be in a foul mood.
ତା means କ'ଣ?
exceptionally irritable ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଇଯିବ, grumpy ହେଇଯିବ, ସେତେବେଳେ be like a bear with a sore head ହେଇଯିବ ତାର ଅର୍ଥ। to hold something in leash ମାନେ କ'ଣ? to hold something in leash LEASH, to disappoint, to dismiss, to discourage, to restrain.
To discourage.
Distrain.
to restrain ହବ to restrain, To tightly control someone କିମ୍ବା ଜଣଙ୍କର ଫ୍ରିଡମକୁ ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ କରିବା ସେଟା ହେଇଯିବ ଟୁ ହୋଲ୍ଡ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଇନ୍ ଏ ଲିଜ୍। ଟୁ ଟକ୍ ଥ୍ରୁ ୱାନ୍ସ ହେଟ୍ ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଟୋପି। ଟୁ ଟକ୍ ଥ୍ରୁ ୱାନ୍ସ ହେଟ୍, ଟୁ ସ୍ପିକ୍ ଫ୍ଲୁଏଣ୍ଟଲି, ଟୁ ଟକ୍ ନନସେନ୍ସ, ଟୁ ଟକ୍ wisdom, ଟୁ ସ୍ପିକ୍ at random।
To talk nonsense.
ଟୁ ଟକ୍ ନନସେନ୍ସ କରେକ୍ଟ। ଟୁ ଥ୍ରୋ ଅପ୍ ଦ ସ୍ପଞ୍ଜ ମାନେ କ'ଣ? To offer a challenge, to become utterly disappointed, to maintain enthusiasm until the end, to surrender a contest।
Disappointed.
To throw up the sponge ମାନେ ହେଲା to surrender,
So,
acknowledge defeat। A bull in a china shop ମାନେ କ'ଣ? A person who is very ugly but loves the beautiful things of life, a person who becomes too excited where no excitement is warranted, a rough and clumsy person at a place where skill and care are required, a person
Peter.
who takes a sadistic delight in
Option C.
Club.
Seat assess, seat.
correct, a rough and clumsy person at a place where skill and care are required। The alpha and the omega ମାନେ କ'ଣ? The stars and the moon, very costly, the beginning and the end, a nice act।
beginning.
Beginning and end.
Very costly.
The beginning at the end। In will and o ମାନେ କ'ଣ? In will, WEAL, and o, WOE, by hook or crook, during illness, in prosperity and adversity, during the operation।
In prosperity
Okay.
and
Seat assess.
ସୁଖରେ କିମ୍ବା ଦୁଃଖରେ ଯୋଉଟା in will and o। Curtain lecture ମାନେ କ'ଣ? Curtain lecture, CURTAIN, curtain lecture, to speak plainly, private scolding of a husband by his wife, vulgar ideas, hate others।
second option.
Correct, private scolding of a husband by his wife, a curtain lecture।
Meaning, sir.
A curtain lecture କ'ଣ?
Meaning ଟା
ମିନିଂ ପା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଗାଳି ଦଉଥିବ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡକୁ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ପ୍ଲେସରେ।
ହଁ।
ନେକ୍ସଟ, ଗୁଜରାଟରେ ପଚାରିବି କହିବ। କହିବ ତ ଗୁଜରାଟୀ ଆସେ ତ ବୁଝି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କିଏ କହିଲା? କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ବୁଝି ଆସେ କହିଲାଣି। Which amendment added fundamental duties in the constitution? ଜଲ୍ଦି କହିବ ଟିକେ।
42, 1976.
Correct. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2024? କ'ଣ ଥିଲା 2024 World Earth Day? Option are climate action, restore our earth, planet versus planet,